Jep. What are you doing now? Here, kid, it is so dangerous and one question. Mum knows that you are here searching stones? Sure then mum, it's excited, Jep. It is not a good joke, Jep Ganny. Oh, what are you doing here, Cookie? Because you sell me up and you are here. Now you and I are united in this like Lady Gaga's song You and I. Think a little. I am here for search you mum told me. I am angry with you. It's an unpoken, sign open sisters. And where do you learn this to Spanish, kid? Blah blah blah. Okay, we go home, then I searching a squirrel. Oh other, these little animals are beauties. Okay, vámonos a casa pequeño esbero de las chipmunks. Bueno, inverted question mark cuando legmos jugamos a la 3DSi XL. Te parece una idea esta, mi preferido hermano. Vale, oh podremos ver el FIFA 11. Ok. And we will pass so funny. I love play against vomit. All the days. Okay, can I tell Amy comment of the comentaris. Sergio Ramos pasa el se la pasa around aldo, y el mirgo. All the team of Palencia are excited. Do you make perfectly this time. Oh, I'm boring now, we go home to play funnies things, dear. I can't see a squirrel. In this forest hasn't got squirrels. Okay, we go home, bye Bosque Bonito. Adios.